without turning the engine off. Just park it like you were going to park it for an hour or so, for a long period of time.
Wait, I don't turn on the hazards.
No.
Sorry, yes.
Are you done?
Parking brake.
Okay. Anything else?
Sorry.
There you go.
Because I guess you didn't indicate that it's alcohol, but I need to know.
No, they won't say.
Yes, but I need to know that.
Okay, so there we go. So
That was good
you're
practice.
facing
now-
uphill. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Right,
I
no,
knew that.
they won't say that. They'll just say, please pull it over and park it as if you're going to park it for a long time. And then you just go through the motions. Yep. Okay, good. Right on.
I'll know that for you.
And we'll take off. What's the speed limit on the back roads when it's not posted? They may ask you a question.
50?
50 unless otherwise posted, yeah. According to road conditions.
Do they ask me that?
They may. They may ask you a few questions, quiz questions here and there. So
Okay.
nothing too difficult though. Stuff you will know because you've taken a driving course.
50 is pretty.
Yeah, you got it. That's a good speed for these roads here. Just want to make sure that you know that. So this is fine. Let's make a right turn here at the stop sign. And then straight at the lights.
That's just this lane here. Can't ask you that.
Correct choice of lane.
Yeah, I knew it wasn't that one.